Hello and welcome to Tash Life 2. Today we're out in the garden. Yes, my face is red. I've already done 3 other videos. But the kids are at school and the garden needs tending. So, I'm feeling a bit behind on it. So we're going to go out in the garden and sort out another bed, and I'll take you over and show you what's going on. Okay, so this is the bed we're working on next. This is the herb bed, and there is kikuyu growing in it, so it needs a bit of weeding. And I've also got these violas which were left over from the kids' potting that they did, so I'll probably put some of them in here, maybe some of them over there in that bed, and yeah, I'll just put them around wherever I feel like it. So I'll set you up and we'll get into it. Alright, so that's that bed. I've done the best I can with it. There is a big mass of roots in here, but I think they might be from the garlic chive, because when I pulled some out it smelled very garlicky. But I've just put some of the violas in there, and I think this basil is starting to die off now. I did cut some dead stems off of it, so I think it's finishing. But yeah, I'll set you up and we'll put the rest of the flowers in somewhere else. I've just put them one here and one here and one here. A lot of the flowers that I had put in here died off. The lobelia died off and the marigolds died off. I'm not sure. Oh, there is one just here still going, but it's not looking very happy, so I'm not sure what's going on with marigolds. That's another one that you never hear of dying, but somehow I'm managing to do that. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.